Hey guys, Angus from Superior Engineering here. Well, here she is, the Superior Engineering Outback Adventurer 300 Series VX. This Land Cruiser is sporting a 4200 kilo GVM Upgrade Kit, which is the most comprehensive street legal option on the market for the GX, GXL, VX and Sahara 300 series platforms. This kit increases the GVM of the vehicle to 4.2 tonne on an OE tyre size. And by doing that, we've given you the option of increasing your tyre size post-registration or post-approval under the VSB 14 rulebook. We've also managed to maintain the 3.5 tonne towing capacity in this Land Cruiser, and we've maintained the factory gross combined mass. With the 300 series being a completely new vehicle platform, Superior Engineering's research and development department had to spend a lot of time developing a whole new list of componentry just for this kit. So in the front, we have our 2.0 Remote Reservoir Shocks or our 2.5 ECDS shocks, which are an optional upgrade. Wrapping around those coilovers, we have our chromoly upper control arms, and protecting your CV angles, we have a 25mm Diff Drop. And speaking of protection, we also supply a full underbody guard kit for the front, which also has an incorporated tow point for when things get a little tricky off-road. Just like in the front, setting up the rear starts with a choice between 2.0 or 2.5 ECDS Remote Reservoir Shocks. We pair these with another set of Australian Made coil springs. We have adjustable uppers, fixed length lowers and adjustable panhard, and in addition to that, a set of extended sway bar links and extended brake lines. And to finish the builds off, we've got our Cat 6 indicators in the front guards, mud flaps the whole way around, and a 2-port diff breather kit, making this the most comprehensive GVM upgrade on the market for the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series. So jump on over to superiorengineering.com.au, check out our range of 300 series GVM upgrade kits, and order a kit for yourself today.